Okay. Ayaw, stop.
Dad, Ade, can you speak like a bird, like cook, cook, like a parrot? Pet? Speak like a parrot, tot, tot. Tick, tick, tick. Speak like a scoder. Speak like a scoding. Scoding. Speak like a tae. Speak like a otot. Speak like a power. Speak to a power.
Okay naman.
Takata.
Meron kay 38. Ang binanak,